We've just come into the park at the northeast entrance, leaving Cooke City and Silvergate behind us. And this is the first section of road that has been redone after the floods of June. We're just crossing from Montana back into Wyoming. And we're going to be coming across the first really tiny section of road which was replaced as a result of the flood. And this over here is the first section where the road was replaced. We can see that there's a gully coming down from that hillside, and that is what must have taken the road away. We can see the rocks on the left reinforcing the road, and this is a new section of road that we've just gone over. Back on the original pavement again. And there's another section coming up in a minute. You can see the rocks again as we get on the new pavement. Soda Butte Creek picnic area, parking lot mostly closed. And we're back on the old road. We're going through the general Pebble Creek area at the moment. And let's take a look at what's happened here. And we can see that it's absolutely full of construction and related equipment. And I've just had lunch with my friend Linda, and she likes to camp in there, and she says that she heard that it probably wouldn't even be open next year, never mind this year. This is one of two traffic lights that they have on this section of road. The other one is basically just as you enter the Lamar Valley. And I see it says wait time up to 4 minutes. When we came through before, the wait time was only a minute. I do notice there's a car coming from the other direction. And they can't trust people to be responsible, it seems. They've got a little gate there which goes up and down. This entire hillside ahead of us has had to be reconstructed. You can see what's happened to the river down there. I know there's a bit of a glare. And back on the original road. got lucky with the light. We've just left the Lamar Valley behind us. The Lamar River is on our left. And coming from the northeast, this is the final piece of road work. Those were the sections of road that the Park Service either have replaced or are replacing or working on. You can see an entire video of the trip all the way from the traffic light that we've just passed to the northeast entrance, which includes all the road work that has been done since the great floods that occurred here in June of 2022. Thanks guys for watching. Consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel. See you on the next virtual Yellowstone tour.